Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is System Test 21. Have some pretty major changes. If you have my Instagram or, are in contact with me or are Fire Alarms in Northeast Kansas, you already know. So, obviously you can see we have the panel, we have some conduit running. Some conduit running from the panel, half-inch conduit, to the pull station, the first pull station, Firelight BG12LX, address number 1, then goes to another BG12LX, number 2, then goes to a BG12L, which is set to address 3 due to the module. Then we have the AN80 up here. Then you go up, you have a offset bend right here, same with this one. This one isn't as good though, as you can see. Goes to a J-box, which goes up here to a ST355, couldn't think of it. And then it goes to an NH100 right here, so have that right there. It's a little loose, but oh well, or a little looser than it needs to be. Then we have a low frequency sounder, just remote low frequency sounder. Follow the conduit, which looks a little silly, but I mean, nothing I can really do about it now. And it goes to a SCW, and then another ST355. So, obviously you can see it's in conduit. Everything is ran in conduit. There's no what device is there, nothing there. And then I did leave this RSS up because I just didn't. It's kind of a pain to get in here, as you can kind of see. So, yeah. So, I am going to pull the fire alarm, but don't watch if you're sensitive to strobe lights. Don't pull fire alarms from real buildings. I'm not responsible for anything you do. All right, 3, 2, 1. So, obviously we have audible silence technically, but it's just 2 different NAC circuits, as you can see. So, yeah, just 2 different NACs. Oh, by the way, Fire Alarms in Northeast Kansas, he wired up the panel. I say it looks really good. So I appreciate you for doing that. And like I said, I think it looks really good. So anyway, I'm gonna pull this pull station. And we will get this one. Back up a little bit. Get my thumbnail photo, right? Not exactly too sure what I want my thumbnail to be, but you'll see by the time this is uploaded. But let's see. Let's get a heat detector. Or let's get this smoke detector here. Or is this the one that doesn't like to activate? Yeah, this one's the silly one. So, I'll go up here. So, I think that is everything I'll be testing today. So, get this rotated. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the support on this channel. I wouldn't have been able to have this whole setup without that kind of support, So anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.